Welcome to ECOPS Carbon Accounting. Update emission to product/project. In the Client Management menu, click on the Emission tab. Here you will see two sections: Product Emission, Project Emission. Both sections provide an edit option, allowing you to update existing emission records whenever required. Product Emission. To add a product emission factor, click on the Product tab. To add a single product emission factor, click on the Add Product Emission Factor and fill in the required details. Search for the product by name. The product code will be automatically selected. Next, select the emission factor category. There are three available options. Primary Verified. If you select Primary Verified, fill in the following details: Cradle-to-gate emission factor, assurance body, assurance standard. Valid from, valid to. Upload LCA/PCF report. Primary Unassured. If you select Primary Unassured, fill in Self-calculated emission factor, EF source reference. Valid from, valid to. Upload reference document. Secondary DEFRA. If you select Secondary DEFRA, provide EF source database, published EF value. Valid from, valid to. Upload reference document. After completing the required information, click Add Product EF to save the emission factor. Bulk upload product emission factors. To upload multiple product emission factors at once, click on Bulk Upload Product EF Data. Download the Excel template. Fill in the required details: product code, product name, EF tier, emission factor, tons of carbon dioxide equivalent per unit, assurance body, assurance standard, EF source database, EF source reference, valid from, valid to. Save the completed file. Upload the file to import the data. Please note that references need to be added for each and every emission submitted by clicking on Edit to complete the record in case of bulk uploads for successful acceptance of records. You can use the Edit option anytime to modify existing product emission records. Project Emission. To add a project emission record, click on the Project tab. To add a single project emission record, click on the Add Project Emission Factor and enter the required details. Search for the project by name. The project code will be automatically selected. Scope, select from the drop-down. Category, select from the drop-down. Emission type, total emission. Upload proof document. To add additional emissions, click on Add another emission entry and enter the required details, including scope, category, emission type, and total emission. Upload reference document if applicable. After filling in all details, click Save Project Emission. Bulk upload project emissions. To upload multiple project emissions, click on Bulk Upload EF Data. Download the Excel template. Fill in the required details: project code, project name, scope, category, emission type, emission value. Save the completed file. Upload the file to import the data. Please note that the reference needs to be uploaded whenever applicable. You can also use the Edit option to update any existing project emission record whenever necessary.